Hi everyone, this is Kyle Villanueva and gusto ko lang po mag-thank you sa mga sumuporta at sumabaybay po sa ating BL series The Perfect Heartbreak po sa MLB Film Production 2. Iniimbitahan ko po kayo na panoorin nyo ang ating last episode ng The Perfect Heartbreak. Maraming salamat po.
Hello everyone, this is Rod Grande Corpus, ang gumanap bilang Bert sa The Perfect Heartbreak. Ayan, I'm inviting all of you to watch our finale episode this coming Monday, 7:30 p.m. and join us on the premiere night. Thank you guys.
Hello everyone, I'm Chris J. Gavides and I play the role of Mark on The Perfect Heartbreak at iniimbitahan ko po kayong lahat na abangan nyo po ang aming final episode. Yes guys, final episode. Kaya ano pa hinihintay nyo guys, invite na po natin yung ating friends, relative, family na panoorin ng ating final episode guys. So walang pagsisisi na matutukoy na natin kung bakit nga ba The Perfect Heartbreak yung ating title ng series na to. Kaya guys, again, iniimbitahan ko po kayong lahat na panoorin ng aming final episode ng The Perfect Heartbreak. And guys, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, MLB Film Production 2. Dahil guys, dun po namin i-upload sa second channel ang final episode guys. So, kita-kits guys. Thank you so much.